triumphant immigrant mayor of New York City, our brother, Zoran Mamdani.
Assalamu alaikum. It is such a privilege. It is such a privilege to be back here with all of you. And I want to first just say thank you for the kind introduction. Thank you for the beautiful welcome. It is a pleasure to be here alongside so many leaders inside of city government and outside of city government. And I would like if we could give a round of applause to a long-time friend of the Pakistani community, the public advocate Jumani Williams, who is here with us. We have our Commissioner of the Mayor's Office of Immigrant Affairs, Faiza Ali, who's here with us. We have our Commissioner of the Taxi and Limousine Commissioner, Valdivia, who's here with us.